In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word's review and revision tools. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Open your document and head straight to the Review tab, because that's where all the collaboration magic happens. The centerpiece here is Track Changes. When you turn it on, Word records every edit, insertions, deletions, and even formatting tweaks, and marks them with colors so you can see who did what. You can toggle track changes on or off from the tracking group, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E with it enabled. Write and edit as usual. Word will handle the markup. When you're ready to finalize, use the accept and reject buttons to move through each proposed change one by one, or accept all once you've reviewed everything. This method keeps your document's history transparent and your approvals intentional. Comments are perfect for asking questions or explaining why a change is needed without altering the text itself. Highlight the relevant section, then select New Comment. Collaborators can reply in a thread, keeping the discussion in one place. When an issue is addressed, mark the thread as resolved to keep your document tidy. Tip: keep comments concise and action-oriented so decisions are easy to scan later. You can control how much markup you see using the display for review options. Simple markup gives you a clean reading experience with a red line in the margin to signal that changes exist. All markup reveals everything: insertions, deletions with strike-through, and comment balloons. Great for a detailed edit. No markup shows you how the document would look if all changes were accepted, which is useful for previewing the final result without committing. Original lets you view the document as it was before any tracked changes, helpful for comparison. For complex projects, open the reviewing pane vertically or horizontally to see a summarized list of changes and comments. It's a powerful navigator for long documents, letting you jump quickly to the next item that needs attention. If multiple collaborators edited separate copies without track changes, use Compare to generate a new document that highlights differences between versions. To merge inputs from several authors into a single file, use Combine, which consolidates edits while preserving attribution, so nothing gets lost. Finally, run Microsoft Editor for a broader editorial pass. It checks clarity, conciseness, formality, and inclusivity, and explains its suggestions so you can accept or ignore them confidently. Use it after structural edits and before final acceptance to polish your writing. With these tools, you'll collaborate smoothly, maintain control over revisions, and deliver a clean, professional document. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.